see how this works. A show with my chest. Very cool trail though already. No Quay Pay Summit. Oh. Whew. Legs are gonna be on fire. Good thing we've been hiking. Didn't start here.
We've done it.
Whew. There is water. We'll reevaluate that after. What? Yeah. Just gotta take our time. Watch out for rattlesnakes.
Okay.
Wow, that does look cool down there. I told you I heard water. Going on the other trail. Yeah. Can you pick it up, please?
You sure too?
Yeah. It was in my pocket. I'll zip it up. Can't be wearing a mask on this trail. But hey, there's not much people on it. I think we're COVID safe. Thought that was a trail for a sec. How you doing? Oh, we need a break. If you need to take a break, just tell me. Definitely gonna need some breaks going up this, I think. There's like a water faucet thing here. You see that?
Try for fires.
Doesn't look like it works anymore though. Ooh, it's hot. Really get up here quick. I take it goes straight. It's insane. Lots of random trails go off. What? I don't see it. Oh, it is. Wow. Wow. Very cool. Oh, it says trail. I think that's climbing. Yeah, that's just climbing. Okay. Yeah, I'm down. Yeah. No, yeah, that looks really cool. We'll have to take a look at the map and see if we can see how it goes. Here's something in there. Be careful.
What?
I heard something in the bushes. Hey. How's it going? Good. Just has his flip-flops on. Casual day. Yeah. Yep. Seems like the longest mile ever. Yeah. I'm starting to get my second wave as well. There's a little more shade here. Going sideways a little bit. Yeah. You like your water? Yep, let me stop. I'm stopping right here. Ooh, the shade. It's unreal. Ooh, feel good again.
Peter's Canyon.
Peter's Canyon.
Going in very past non-COVID times, you know?
Yeah.
So you can't ride.
We go up or straight?
No,
Wait, so straight? I was gonna say, this looks like the trail. Climbing. See that girl drawing up there? That'd be cool. Yeah, she certainly has a good... Oh, we might be going down already.
I feel like we've been going down.
Yeah, I think we're about done. I think we stopped at the perfect spot up there. Yep. It did say the peak was closed, so I guess the actual peak is... Yeah. Wait for these people.
Careful.
Is it? I think that's one. Want me to go first? Oh, that one's not stable. Wow, that was really cool. I get what people said. Most people were like, I wish it was a little longer. Are you okay? Heads up. Got some racks coming down. Come over here.
A little different.
I might do. You did? Yeah, you gotta be careful. Just be careful yourself. What? Yeah. Well, it's nice once you get up there. Yeah. We really did find the perfect place just to chill. Yeah, we should. I think that's what you need to bring, baby, because you're not wearing a backpack, and we can't store the electronics in it. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like it might be a shortcut over there, but oh, look, one day we'll come back and do the other side first. Yeah. Be interesting. Just it really blew my mind just going the opposite way on that trail, how much different you like experience it, you know? I think it's good though, because like you're high up on an edge, but you never really feel too uncomfortable. Doesn't feel like you're about to slip or... We'll say it feels like the longest mile of my life though. Yep. I think I'm probably 20 minutes up. Third. We did it, baby. Wasn't too bad. Definitely would like to come up the other way. See where the other boulder is. Really, I wonder how high up we were.
4,700 feet, I told you that. Or, sorry, not 4,000.
But like, I'm trying to like see how close we were to the peak. .407. Let's go. Looks so cool.